What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Koya and Peasy? What's up?
Hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you guys as always. Alright. So, today is Friday, September 30th, 2022. Last day of trading in September. Hopefully, we can put this month behind us. And next month will be better. Hoping for a good October. But probably not, to be honest. But yeah, today is Friday, September 30th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Yep, eating ramen once again. Go. Are you guys surprised? Not at all. So, not a great way to end the day, month, and week. Yeah, really bad day here in the stock market today. As it's we made an all-time low, or yearly low in SPY. Wow, I didn't even see that. That is disgusting. We'll look at that in a second here. But yes, we officially made lower lows. We are officially in a we hit the yearly low today. So really bad. Yeah, that sucks. So I didn't really pay attention to the market towards the end of the day here, but it looks like Power Hour was really bad. Ouch. Hang in there, guys. So yeah, really bad day. Terrible month, terrible week, terrible day, terrible week, terrible month, terrible year. All around terrible. And, honestly, it looks like it's not going to end anytime soon, unfortunately. So, brace yourself, guys. It might get a lot worse from here. But, regardless, got a great show for you guys today. Today's show shouldn't take too long. Really, the past couple of weeks, the shows have been pretty short because nothing's really been happening. Generally during a bear market, not too many retail traders, not too many watchers. That's all right. Fridays are the best day for streaming. But today was really bad, and it doesn't appear like it appears like we're off to a slow start today during the show. That's all right. But yeah, today we should probably only go about. I think we'll go with 2 hours today. We do have a decent amount of content to cover today. But it should be 1.5 to 2 hours, probably closer to 2 hours. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews, along with my plays for the day and possible live rainbow bearing, if that happens. We have 4 articles today. One about FTX and Voyager. So they got a deal done. FTX is buying Voyager. We'll get to that. Second article about the stopgap bill. So we covered that yesterday. Got passed by the Senate. Now it went to the House. We'll cover that. Then we got 2 articles about Joe Biden, President Joe Biden, and our friends over at Russia. Sarcastic right there. Yeah, so Russia doing more Russian things. Still messing with the whole world. And Biden is coming out with a response, or a couple of responses to Russia's aggression. So we'll see what Biden has to say. And we have 2 articles about that, because he has quite a lot to say. So not really any market news today, but minor news. And then today, for the TA, we're going to do AVCT. We have to do AVCT today. That was the major loser. 10,000 mentions on StockTwits. A lot of apes got wrecked there today. I tried to warn the apes. Tried to say, should probably sell, should probably short. And I didn't think we'd get to 18 cents in one day, but here we are. So, yep, I could have told you that was going to happen. So, RIP to the apes. But yeah, we'll cover AVCT. And it was pretty funny. Today, I don't really think it was hate, but someone was clearly upset, commented that on my AVCT video, that AVCT is not a meme stock, because I did call AVCT a meme stock. That pissed a lot of apes off. But it is a meme stock. And then he said, you apes need to get out of here. It's not a meme stock, you know? True investors are still here. I'm like, what are you talking about, bro? It most definitely is a meme stock. And you're the ape. I'm the institution. You're the ape. So, yeah, you know, more ape delusion going. Not delusion. Delusion, not dilution. Delusion. More ape delusion going on. And dilution, too. So, yeah, we'll cover AVCT today. Man, that must have been rough. I'm glad I did not get caught in that. But, and again, I don't buy meme stocks anymore. You know, I know better. So, yeah, 4 articles, AVCT, and then we'll get to the Yolos today. Quite a bit of Yolos. I think, like, I don't know, maybe over 10 for sure, I think. And we do have one post that went viral. One viral Lost Coin post, so we will get to that as well. Got a lot of awards. What up, Eddie? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Eddie, did you get filled on Beat? What's your price set at on Beat? Because I got partially filled, like 75% filled in the morning, but I just got the full fill. It gave me the rest of the shares right after the market closed. So my average is 396 right now. So I'm in for a full fill. So just wondering if you got filled on that, or what's your entry price you have set there. Because honestly, if you look at Beat, you know what? Well, let's switch the scene here, and then we'll look at some stocks. We'll look at Beat on the chart. It'll be more clear. All right, guys. Maybe he will watch this show. Yeah, but he's not going to say anything. If anything, it's going to be it's going to be a lurker. And he's going to dislike bomb. So that's the thing. The haters are brave. During the regular videos, they have always got something to say. Comments, StockTwits, whatever. But during a live show, they got nothing to say. Or they try at least. There's only been a couple of times when we've had some live trolls, which you guys witnessed the other day. But hey, you know, I don't care. I welcome all trolls, all followers, all trolls, bots, everyone. Everyone is welcome here. I don't care. You know, I'm just trying to help everyone. I'm trying to save you money, and I'm trying to make myself money. So, you know, I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm just telling the truth here. Anyway. All right, let's get started, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarty Gambling Show. Eddie, you said you got it at 4, no fill yet. You might have to lower that, dude. Let's look at Beat right now, but you could definitely lower that, dude, because there's a lot of downside to go here. But we'll, let's look at that right now. So actually, let's get to, let's do a quick scan first. See if there's any aftermarket action going on, because nothing was happening during the regular market. Alright, we got something here. AREB. No news, though. So that's looks like a dub. Anything else? Don't see anything yet. Alright, looks pretty slow for the aftermarket action. Let's refresh this on Market Chameleon. That hasn't updated yet. Alright, so we'll come back to this, but only thing popping right now is AREB. That was definitely moving the other day. Yeah, that's up 18% in the aftermarket, but no news, so we're not going to go for that. And it was upgraded by a bunch of hedge funds, too, so big no-no. Okay. So let's look at Beat real quick. Let me show Eddie what I'm talking about. So, yeah, Eddie. So you have your order at 4, right? But look at this chart. This is insane. You can get filled way below 4, dude. It's at 387 right now. I'd probably try for 380 and then decrease it in increments of 10 cents as it goes down. But, you know, crazy looking chart right here. Look at this. This is absolutely nuts. Gapped up at 132. And now, it hit 475 at the high yesterday. So, yeah, there's a lot of downside to go here. Actually, the first time we were in this, it didn't quite hit it. And I'm glad you escaped, because the first time I got too greedy, it went down to 155. And then I didn't cover and actually ended up losing 10% there, about $300, 15%. So I'm back for a revenge trade. You got a partial fill? Nice, dude. Nice, nice. Yeah, see, all you had to do, dude, was lower it. And there are shares right now in the aftermarket. Very limited, but there are shares now. So yeah, just keep that in there at 380, dude. Was it what is it like? How much did you get filled? Quarter, half, 75%? How much did you get filled, dude? But yeah, it looks like they are starting to get shares, so now's the time to jump in. So yeah, dude, keep it at there, 380. If it keeps going down, lower it to 370, 360, etc., etc. But glad you got a partial fill there, dude. So we in here, we in here. And you really didn't miss out today. Like you didn't get it at 4, I got it at 4, but it really didn't go down. It really didn't go down that much. So you still got an excellent entry, dude, and a lot of downside to go here. So let's go, let's go. Only thing that sucks is, you're probably gonna have to hold. Well, you do have to hold this over the weekend, so you're gonna have to pay those borrow fees. But that's all right. 79 shares of 700. Wow, so barely anything. That's a big order, dude. I'm in for like 500, so that's a pretty big order. But yeah, this is a big opportunity here. So yeah, wishing you the best of luck there, dude. Probably should have told you to lower it sooner, and you probably would have got more of a fill. But that's all right. You should hopefully here at in the post market and pre market Monday you get the full fill there. Koya, it's AREB. I'll type it. AREB. AREB. AREB, not AREV. AREB. So there's no reason for that right now. It's mooning on nothing. So be very careful there, dude. Something's going on there. Some shady hedge fund insider stuff. All right, cool. Yeah, Eddie, maybe lower it to 370 because it's at 382 now. So might want to lower it a bit more if you want to. Like I said, I think anything above pretty much $2 is a good price. So a lot of downside to go. I would take it down a little bit. So good luck to you, Eddie. Good luck to us. Okay. I should tell these days too. All right. Cool. All right, let's get to my plays for today. Actually, let's do a scan. Let's do another scan. Make sure nothing's going on here. And then we'll get to my plays for today. Really didn't do too much. All right, we got some other stuff here. CLNN. CLNN. Got some news here. Yes? All right, we're going for it. All right, guys. CLNN is the play. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, we got to go for it. We got to be quick. We got to be quick. We got to be very quick here. Oh, my God. All right. 296. All right, we're going 415. So there's actually... Did it get there? Damn, did I miss it? No, it didn't get there. All right. All right, I'm going in for 415, guys. And shares available. Shares are available. Put your orders in right now, guys. Put your orders in. Or I guess just Eddie. I don't know who else is trading. 500 shares now at 382. All right, congrats to you, Eddie. Put this damn order in, dude. This is a big one right here. CLNN. CLNN. 415. 415. So it hit $4 almost, and it's back on the way to the upside. So, yep, hopefully this hits. How much did this go up today? It didn't go anything up today. Yeah, it didn't go up that much today. Yeah, it did decently. All right, so yeah, CLNN. Order in 415. Hopefully that hits. Still trying to get sober. Still trying to get ATXI. Hopefully those hit as well. Alright, cool. Let's hope this fills. But it's already crashing, so that's not good. It's already... So it had a big green candle here. Hulk D, Shrek D, whatever you want to call it. And now it's pulling back pretty hard. But hopefully this comes back up and blows past 4 to 415 and we get a fill here. We'll keep an eye on this. I really want this fill. Because this is a big opportunity and because I'm just not getting any fills lately. So, yes, please. Please come to 415. Give us the fill. All right. Cool. You in there, Eddie? You set your order? Get ready, dude. All right. So let me refresh Market Chameleon too. But yeah, CLNN, the play right now. It's not even on Market Chameleon yet. All right, cool. Set my order in. Good. Let's just hope for a fill now. Please. Please and thank you. Let's get this fill. All right. Yeah, that's it. CLNN. Don't see any other aftermarket movers here. Cool. All right, so we'll keep an eye on this. Hopefully that fills. All right, let's get to... first of all, my plays for today. Gotta delete some stuff here. What I got? AMID. And beat. Okay. So only 4 plays today. What happened to it? What happened to Ethereum? That's what happened. I actually don't know. Oh, offering. $20 million offering. That would do it. Yep, that would do it. $20 million offering on Ethereum. Yep, some apes never learn, huh? I do know our community member Wen is in there, and he's not here right now, but that must be really rough for him. So you're watching Wen? Sorry, dude. Hope your wife doesn't leave you for a boyfriend. Alright, let's get to my plays today. So only 4 plays. First one, BIAF. This one, been holding for a couple days. Finally covered that at 286. So made over $300 there. I think like 330 or something, 350. Nice little gain. Ideally, I would have wanted to cover at 260, but it never got there. So I just covered for a nice little gain there. Then Beat, BEAT. Got a partial fill this morning at $4, 75% fill, and I just got the rest of the fill in the post market here. So I'm in for I'm in for 396 average. 396 average. So I'm very happy with that price. Hopefully this goes down a lot in the coming days here next week. So still open there. Made $55 today on that. PEPG, still holding this one from a couple of days ago. Unfortunately, that one went the wrong way today. Came up almost 8%. So I'm actually down $180 there today. That sucks, but we'll see how next week goes. I'm probably going to cut this soon if it keeps up like this. So yeah, down 180 there today. AIMD, so I got filled on this one middle of the day. Got filled at 208, and it's now down to 185. Yeah, now down to 185. So up 250 right now. I was up a little bit more earlier, but it came back a little bit. So currently up 250, and I plan to cover at 160. 160. And pretty unfortunate that you guys couldn't get the fill on that, because that was that was pretty much the only play today. Big play. So up nicely right now, and gonna hold this next week. Hopefully I can cover at 160. And yeah, Yep, that's it. Only 4 plays today. So covered BIAF, other 3 still open. And I'm going to lower my price on Sober here because it is still going down. I'm going to lower my price to $250 on Sober. Because this is mainly for Eddie, but if you look at Sober, same thing with Beat. You know, I pretty much take any price above, let's see here. I pretty much take any price above 220 on Sober. So, yep, I'll take 250. I just loaded 250. Got a gap here to fill, 158. 2 gaps, actually. 2 gaps to fill. So, 280 would have been nice. But I will take anything 220 and over on Sober. So, I just lowered that. I really want the fill on this one. Okay. So, still trying to get filled on that. Still trying to get filled on ATXI. That one. Sorry, guys, just adjusting some orders here. ATXI went nuts today. Trying to get that in that one as well. Been trying to get that for a couple days. Good thing I didn't, because I might have gotten squeezed out. Cool. So those are my plays for today. Let's get to the watch list. Wow. Ethereum was worse than AVCT. Holy crap. I did not know that. Alright, let's do the watch list. We'll start on the green side, because not much in the green here. Let me just respawn. Okay, let's do it. So the Dow Jones So the Dow Jones down 1.71%.
Good.
NASDAQ down 1.73%.
Good.
S&P down 1.55%.
Good.
So in summary today, and this week, and this month.
And it's gone.
Really, really bad. So yesterday was terrible. Today, pretty bad as well. Not as bad as yesterday, but still really bad here today. For some reason, the VIX is down 0.69%. Lol, nice. Trying to troll us. Down 0.22 points. So VIX is at 31.62 now. I don't know why it went down. It should have went up a lot today, really. But, hey, I'm not complaining. So, VIX is, 31.62 now. So, still above 30. Not good at all. Could be worse. Could be 35. Could be 40. But 31, 32 VIX, really, really not good. And it does not appear like it's going to go down anytime soon. So, hang in there, guys. Nasty day here today. All right. Let's run down the watch list here. So, not much on the green side. Some random stuff. Centro. Remember that one? Playboy's here. Coinbase 4%. IMPP's up 4%. Nice. Sure, some of you guys are happy about that. Robinhood, DWAC, Gold, Twitter, BBIG. A lot of memes are up today. That's weird. Actually, I guess not, because usually during red days, firms sell off holdings so they can cover their shorts and stuff. So yeah, we got BBIG, HYMC, Roblox, Neo, Alibaba, SoFi, Palantir, Paramount, MicroStrategy, Moderna, XCLA. Yeah, so for the most part, only a few select growth/memes and China, it seems like. in the green today. But yeah, not great for anyone, really. Even if the Bulls made money today, probably was not that much. And even the Bears really didn't make money today. Well, I didn't, at least. All right, let's get on to the red side. So, all right, Eddie. So 500 shares is a pretty big fill. So you're mostly filled there. But yeah, I hope you get that for the rest of the fill. You should get that by the end of tonight or, Monday morning. All right, onto the red side. So a lot of red here, mostly at the top. Let's see. So Ethereum down 37%. Ouch. That was not trending today, but yeah, I know a lot of apes got wrecked in that. Had an offering there. And AVCT down 32.4% today. And going down in the aftermarket. So, yeah, that's not good at all. They had a reverse split. Apes getting wrecked there. I try to warn them. They don't want to listen. So, yeah, we'll analyze AVCT today. Have to. Hot stock. Okay. So then we got the cruise lines. Carnival down 23%. They had bad earnings. Really nasty day there. Norwegian down 18% in sympathy with Carnival. So really nasty day there. Nike, this is terrible. Nike's down 12.8%. Blue chip value stocks are not supposed to move like this. But they have been. So Nike's the latest victim here. Down 13%. Absolutely disgusting. And we do have some gain corn on Nike. Nike puts later during the Yolos. So stay tuned for that, guys. Damn. Wish is down to 74 cents now. 10%. HKD's down to 47. Yeah, pretty much everything in the red here. There's Clover. Damn, down to 170? Bruh. CEI. Tilray. GM 3.5, really bad. Disney 3.2, really bad. Apple 3%. Didn't Apple just go down like 5% yesterday? Went down another 3%? Bruh. Really, really bad. Starbucks 2.7. Actually, it's not that bad after that. eBay 2.3. Target 2.2. Got Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Amazon, McDonald's, Exxon, everything after that. Costco, banks. So yeah. In summary today.
And it's gone.
Pretty bad. Pretty bad here. Let's look at SPY real quick. So yeah, just the continuation on from yesterday. We're at the bottom of this sideways channel right now. Let me extend this further. We did not break it, but we're right there on the edge of this down of the bottom of this descending channel. So that is not good. Looks like breakout to the downside incoming. Even more. And it's already 28 RSI, so this can't get too much worse. But yeah, this is a yearly low on SPY, so keeps getting worse, and not done just yet. So hang in there, guys. It is coming up here in the aftermarket, 358 now, so that's good. That's a good sign for Monday. Okay. So nasty stuff. Let's just do another scan before we get on to crypto here. Don't want to miss any opportunities because I didn't have many today. Damn, CLNN is pulling back. Looks like it's not going to get there. Unfortunately. But we'll just keep the order open. Hopefully it does. We have something else here, but pretty minor. EQOS. Yeah, nothing there. Come on, CLNN. Other way. Alright. Crypto time. Close down Discord here. Alright, crypto time. Give me a second. And let me check YouTube real quick, see where we're at. But it seems like a pretty slow show today. 4 viewers, 7 likes. Alright, thank you guys. Yeah, kind of a slow show. Probably just the regulars in here. But thank you guys. Appreciate everyone. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
All right. AIMD is coming down to 183 now, so that's good at least. All right. Crypto. And the news. Okay, nothing going on here. Damn, CLNN is not going the right way. I really wanted that one. It almost got there, got to 4. That's unfortunate. Okay. Alright, guys, let's do crypto. So, crypto is... Damn, it's really going down. So, crypto is up 0.35% today. Small victory. I will take it. So, not the best, but green here. Slightly in the green. Better than nothing. Better than red. Got to take your small victories where you can in this market. Let's check it out. So, Bitcoin up 0.4%. Looks like it's fighting back to 20K. Ether up 0.45%. Still holding 13K. Looks like it's pushing 1340 now. 1350. Binance up a little bit. XRP. Big day here today. 5.4%. XRP down. Solana down. Doge up a little bit. Not so much price action. We got Sheep up 1.4. So I definitely see a lot more green than red, but not too much price action. Got Terra Classic here, 9%. Yeah, let's sort this out. But looks pretty uneventful. Alright, we'll start on the red side. Alright, so actually, this is a pretty even balance, red and green. Looks like 50% in the red, 50% in the green. So I guess there was just more price action on the green side, or more value, or both. But yeah, we see here a red side, biggest loser is Celsius, 4.7%, so that's really not that bad. Do have some decent value here. Chainlink, Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, not too bad actually. So yeah. Same amount of coins in the green and the red, pretty sideways, but looks like more value on the green side here. More price action and more value. So on the green side, same thing, 50% of the coins in the green. Price action wasn't that good. Nothing more than 10%. Biggest gainer was Terra Classic. I still don't know why people are buying that, but that's up 8.7%. And then Quant, 7.7%. Decent amount of value here. Terra Classic, Quant, Leo, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, Stellar, Polygon, yeah, Cosmos, a lot of value here. Tron, Sheep. So that would do it. So pretty uneventful day in crypto, but yeah. More price action on the green side, more value on the green side, so that's the reason why crypto is slightly bullish today. But yeah, overall, guys, this is terrible day. Terrible day in the stock market, slightly bullish day in crypto, but overall, still, really, really bad day.
Good.
So, the only way you could really make money today is if you went full rainbow bear mode, or if you were, like, all in crypto or something. Pretty hard to make money today. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, hope you guys are holding up. Hope, you guys are surviving this bloodbath. Consistent bloodbaths. Never-ending bloodbath. And if not, hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. But today was pretty bad. What up, Punk Skater? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Had to tap in after the hurricane to let you know I'm good. Fort Myers got destroyed. I'm not too familiar with Florida geography, but I know that the hurricane was mostly in the Tampa area, right? And I don't think you're really in the Tampa area, or not that close to it. But yeah, good news. Well, I'm glad you're safe. I heard it was pretty bad, but material items can be replaced. Most important thing is your safety, your life. So appreciate you, dude. Glad you could make the show today, and glad you're safe. Okay, let's get to the news today. Time is at 4:40, so we're doing pretty decent on time. All right, guys. So today, once again, we have 4 articles. Nothing too serious today. All minor articles. One about FTX and Voyager. One about the House and the recent government avoiding government shutdown. And 2 about Biden and Russia and Putin. Let's do it. First article, FTX is paying $51 million in cash for Voyager assets, court records show. FTX's winning bid for bankrupt crypto firm Voyager Digital includes a $51 million cash payment with an additional $60 million in earnouts and incentives. The bulk of the offer is for the fair market value of Voyager's cryptocurrencies, which FTX will distribute pro-rata to customers who will move to FTX's platform. Voyager's bankruptcy followed the implosion of the crypto hedge fund 3 Hours Capital. All right, so yeah, we kind of covered this. And I think they already bought Voyager, but now it's coming out how much they actually paid for it. Oh no, this actually is pretty recent. So I know Voyager, people were making bids on Voyager, but now FTX actually won the bid, $1.4 billion. So awesome. Good for FTX, good for crypto. I'm glad Voyager's being bought out. So I mean, it sucks it went bankrupt, but I'm glad that FTX rescued them. So the clients, the victims, getting scammed, probably gonna get their money back. And yeah, FTX gets stronger. So becoming more of a monopoly. It's definitely FTX, Crypto.com, Coinbase, and Binance. Those are the major players. So FTX getting bigger here. So yeah, $51 million in cash for Voyager. Pretty good deal. Super discount. Good for FTX and SBF. Okay. Next article. House passes stopgap funding measure to avoid federal government shutdown. The House of Representatives voted 230 to 201 to pass a continuing resolution to fund the government until mid-December. Without the measure, the government would have shut down before the end of Friday. President Joe Biden is expected to sign the bill into law before the deadline at midnight. So yeah, we did cover this yesterday. So yesterday we saw that the Senate passed the bill, went to the House for approval, was likely going to get approved, so it got approved today, and all that's left is the president has to sign off on it. So this is good. Nobody wants a government shutdown. And pretty standard. It seems like every year, like multiple times a year, we have possible government shutdowns. So, yeah, so we're good until December, and then we'll do it all again in December. So no government shutdown, guys. Government shutdown averted. All right, now let's get into the Biden and Putin stuff. U.S. announces new sanctions on Russia in response to Ukraine annexation. The Biden administration announced new economic sanctions on hundreds of Russian officials in response to the Kremlin's illegal annexation of 4 regions of Ukraine. The newly sanctioned entities include shell companies formed specifically to evade previous sanctions on Russian military suppliers. They also expanded prior sanctions on top of Kremlin officials to include their wives and children, a sign that officials believe the family sanctions are having an impact. Okay. I do hear, I think, 2 sirens coming. So my apologies, guys. Going to talk over it. Hopefully it's going the other way. All right, so if you guys haven't been following, yes, the Russia-Ukraine situation is still going on. And some major developments have been happening recently. So Russia gave up on the capital, Kiev, and they're now trying to take over the Donbass region, which is like the eastern part of the country. So they're trying to pull another Crimea, which they did like 5 years ago. More than that, a couple of years ago. More than 5 years ago. I think like 8 years ago, maybe. Trying to pull another Crimea, where they go in there, they hold a fake referendum, Of course, it's going to pass. And then Putin can now legally call that area of Ukraine part of Russia, and that he is the authority to do whatever he wants there because it's his country. So total BS, total political BS, you know. So that just happened. Referendum went through. So in Russia's eyes, the 4 regions of Ukraine are now part of Russia, and gives him a legal excuse to do whatever he wants there. So yes, definitely not going to fly with us. Let's see what else there was. Sanctions. So they're targeting shell companies, top officials, politicians. That's pretty much it. Shell companies, companies assisting Russia, assisting their military, high officials, and their family. So, I'm not exactly sure if this is working or not. I think it's working to some extent, but if they really wanted to, they could get around it. But then it's like this cat and mouse game like we're doing now. But yeah, so Russia doing Russian things, and we're not going to stand for it. So, new sanctions here by Biden. And, just to continue on to that. So, Biden warns Putin that the U.S. will defend every single inch of NATO territory as Russia formally annexes Ukraine regions. Yeah, so we just went over that. President Joe Biden warns Russian President Vladimir Putin the United States is ready to defend NATO territory as Putin continues to escalate the war in Ukraine. America's fully prepared with our NATO allies to defend every single inch of NATO territory. Every single inch, Biden said. So, Mr. Putin, don't misunderstand what I'm saying. Every inch. Although Ukraine is not NATO, not yet at least. But okay. I don't think he's dumb enough to attack NATO. Yet, at least. Prior to his speech, the Biden administration announced new economic sanctions on hundreds of Russian officials and entities in response to the Kremlin's illegal annexation of 4 regions of Ukraine. Biden said that he has been in touch with U.S. allies and stated the Nord Stream pipeline leaks were intentional. Oh yeah, that happened too, which we covered last week. So randomly, there are leaks in the pipeline, the gas line, and so now Europe can't get their oil, can't get their gas. Of course, right?
Bruh.
So, total poop show. Everyone's suffering. Why can't we just all get along? Why can't we all just be friends? But yeah. So that was big news today. Russian sanctions. Russia being bad guys and Russian sanctions. So I'm sure there'll be updates to this. I'm sure this will drag on for another year, maybe longer than that. But as more updates come in about this war, Russia-Ukraine war, I'll bring it to you guys. All right, cool. So that's all the articles for today, guys. Good stuff. It's now 4:46, so we are ahead of time here, ahead of schedule. Cool. Pretty slow show, not so much chatting. That's all right. So let's do another quick scan, and we'll do AVCT. So I don't know. We may be out of here. I said 2 hours. I said by 6 o'clock, but we may end a little earlier actually. Still nothing. Still nothing. CLNN is coming back though. That's a good sign, but not by much. Okay, let's do another scan here. Yep, CLNN still going. Don't really see anything else. There's LCFY. But I don't think that's anything important. All right, let me look at LCFY. Nothing there. Okay. And what was the other one? PTQ. Nothing there. All right, so nothing happening aftermarket. Still just a CLNN, which is going down. I hope that goes back up so I can get a fill on that. But it has quite a ways to go to the upside. Okay. Let me look at it real quick, actually. Yeah, so I don't know if it's going to get back up there. But I sure hope so. Man, what a green candle. That was the high. It exploded and then went right back down. Okay. $296. Let me just double check something. All right. Cool. All right, let's do AVCT. Check the news. I don't think there's any news. Oh, I mean, there was news. Reverse split. Okay. 15-1 reverse split. All right, let's do it. So 3, set 4. Okay. Let's do it. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. So I'm going to take a quick drink here, and we'll do AVCT. AIMD is coming down very nicely. It's at 184 now, so back up 230 there. So I think in total I made like $120 today. Better than nothing. Actually, probably a little more than that. Better than nothing. Lost on PEPG. See, yeah, lightning is creeping back up, but it needs to like really break out here. What up, Nicole R? What's up? Thanks for being here. Appreciate you as always. I think they just extended reverse split. Maybe some news on AVCT. Yeah, I think they did extend it. I didn't see anything official. But I think someone emailed. I saw on StockTwits. Someone emailed the management. And I think the management did say that they were going to delay the split. But I don't see anything official here. So for now, we're going to assume that the split is going to go through. It says it's going through Monday. Or effective today, actually. Oh, no. October 3rd. So, is that Monday? Is that Monday? That is Monday. So, Monday, so as of right now, it looks like Monday it's going to open 15-1. Okay. So, whatever that is, it's going to be at $3 on Monday. So, still a lot of fun right now, but for the time being, officially, this is supposed to split on Monday, so we're going to roll with that for now. Okay. Cool. So, thanks for that. All right, let's do it. So, here is AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. This finishes at 20.2 cents today. That is down 32.42%.
And it's gone.
Yeah, Coy, it's in effect Monday. I just read it Monday, October 3rd. For now, at least. So we've been covering the stock So we covered this stock multiple times last week. And once this week. It has been the hot stock really for the past month. This first initially squeezed. This first initially squeezed about a month ago when the company had some good PR. They announced that they were looking to sell either part or all of their assets. So that was really bullish news. That in turn caused a squeeze. Not a full-blown short squeeze, but definitely a gamma squeeze. And after that, it pulled back pretty significantly. It ran all the way from 15 cents to over 50 cents, so over a 200% upside there. If you guys recall, I did say that it was probably a good time to sell back there because it was probably going to pull back, as with every squeeze. That did in fact happen, and it looked like the squeeze was over. But then last week they started squeezing again due to potential buyout rumors. So as of right now, it's all speculation. Nothing is confirmed. It's not really my place to say whether or not they will get acquired, but quite honestly, probably not. Based on my professional experience, usually buyout rumors are just that, speculation. So I sure hope the company gets bought out, but don't count on it. So yeah, the stock squeezed again last week. Again, I said, if you guys recall, I again said, probably a good time to sell this around 40 and start shorting. Probably coming back down to 18.5 cents. I got a good amount of hate for that. But here we are. Honestly, I did not think we'd come down to 18.5 cents in one day. But that's the state of the market for you. Oh, forgot to mention. And then today, and then yesterday, in the post-market, we got some very bearish news. The company announced that they are doing a 15-to-1 reverse split, effective Monday, October 3rd. So the stock absolutely tanked, down to 18.5 cents. So I hope Apes took your profits. And if you didn't, sorry about that. But everything is a learning lesson, and now you know better for next time. Gotta hit the sell button. Gotta take your profits. Because this always happens. Apes get too greedy. And end up bag holding. Okay. This was number 2 on StockTwits today. Had over 10,000 mentions. After SPY, had over 10,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. And today's analysis is going to be much different from the previous videos, because the chart is very different now. All right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. Damn, PEPG is holding up, huh? Okay. What up, Low Roller? What's up? Haven't seen you for a couple days. Welcome back, dude. You want any money? What is that video? If we got time, we'll watch it. That's really what I am working on, hitting the sell button. Lol, I will be a better reader when I can do that. Better investor. Yeah, so don't feel too bad about it. I certainly don't blame you. That generally is a problem that retail does have, like I said, they just get too greedy, and yeah, you just keep thinking it's gonna run, and you don't take your profits, and it happens over and over. I've seen it I've seen it happen time and time again. So some apes never learn, but fortunately a lot of apes do, and most of those apes come to this channel when they get wrecked, and then they want to get better. So happy to help the apes out. Do you offer selling put trading? I need to learn this. Kind of. I mean, you could message me on Discord. Are you on Discord? If you're not on Discord, link in the description. Please join Discord, and you can ask as many questions as you want. You don't have to chat live here during the show. You can chat anytime, 24/7 with the community. So, I don't really offer like training per se, but if you want to ask me questions, we can chat after the show, offline the show, and I can certainly lead you in the right direction on how to sell puts. In fact, I do have a playlist called How to Options. If you go to my videos, there should be a playlist How to Options, and there's some like very basic stuff there. I didn't really upload too many videos there, but that should be a good basis, good place to start for trading options. And I'm glad that you're thinking about selling options, because I personally don't ever buy options unless it's for a hedge. And apes rarely sell options, but that is the way to win, playing options. Selling works in the long term. Buying is pretty much for suckers, unless you hedge. But yeah, sign up for join our Discord. You can ask me questions, ask everyone else questions. If you want, you can subscribe to my Patreon. Consider that. Also, link in the description. I have 3 tiers. Well, really 4 tiers. First tier is $5, basic stuff, fundamental, basic concepts. Second tier is for $10. That's for technical analysis. Third tier is for options. That's $15. And then I have one for $50 if you want one-on-one coaching. Every month we can do a call every month. So yeah. So if anything, just join a Discord, ask questions. If you want, consider looking at my educational content. Okay. Cool. What the hell was I saying? All right. Analysis now. Only 1 minute video. Watch the video. Then go to website. Give your opinion. What is that website? You gotta tell me what the stuff is, dude. All right. If we got time, I'll watch it later. Okay. Cool. Let's get to it. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the yearly low of 13.2 cents. Is that the all-time low? That is the all-time low. Bottom of the cup being the low of 13.2 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. Let's see here. It can be 40 cents, 46 cents, or 52 cents. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to come all the way back up to the high of, where this has the potential to come all the way back up to 313. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be 40 cents or 46 cents, but those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Let me see the MA. Okay. What there is that? Let's do MACD and the triangle. MACD and... well, let's do the gaps first. We do have a double gap down. First gap down was formed today at 26 cents. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 26 cents to fill that gap. And the second gap down was back at 57 cents. So that's another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 57 cents to fill that gap. Okay. MACD. Gotta move the screen a little here. Studies. Actually, we'll just... the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, is currently at 46. So that's pretty average. According to the RSI, the current price of 20.2 cents is around fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit higher. So the RSI is currently a neutral to slightly bullish indicator. Okay. MACD. Here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line is still above the signal line. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy, although it looks like it may cross to the downside very soon. So be careful, guys. So the MACD is currently a bullish indicator, but may go bearish, but may be bearish very soon. Okay. And here comes fire truck. Of course. Never ever fails. The video is surprise, you will be surprised. Person turn it into business. I don't like surprises, dude. Tell me what it is. Are you almost done, TA? Kind of. Maybe 10 minutes. Sorry about the fire truck, guys. Alright, back to this. Did I get everything? No, I still got some stuff to go here. Okay. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 19 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for Monday. That is suggesting that Monday the stock will sell off. Here we had an ascending channel. Where the upper channel was around 43 cents and the lower channel was around 32 cents. So if this broke 43 cents to the upside, that'd be bullish. And if this broke 32 cents to the downside, that'd be bearish. This did in fact break 32 cents to the downside. Suggesting a breakout, suggesting a massive sell-off. That did in fact happen. So the ascending channel was and still currently is a bearish indicator. Okay. And here we did have a symmetrical triangle forming. This was consolidating between 30 cents and 25 cents. It could have broken out either way. Unfortunately, it broke out to the downside. So the symmetrical triangle was a neutral indicator, but is now a bearish indicator. Okay, think I got everything now. Yes. Cool. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. I think I should actually draw another. The guy running business at casino? Is it legal? Okay. I guess I could have had even more here. Just don't want to spend too much time drawing TA. All right, whatever. We'll just roll with it. Yeah, I guess I should put one here. All right, last one. Actually, you know what? Let's just get rid of that. All right, we'll put one here and call it a day. Cool. Wow, I missed a bunch, didn't I, huh? All right, that's fine. That should be good now. Yes. Well, good enough. All right. So right now this is sitting on the support of 20 cents, which it finished around today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 20.7 cents. 22 cents, 23.5 cents, 24.5 cents, 26.1 cents, 27.4 cents, 28.7 cents, 28.7 cents, 30.7 cents, 32.3 cents, 34.1 cents, 35.9 cents, 37.7 cents, and then 40 cents. There is resistance above 40 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 19 cents, 18.3 cents, 17.6 cents, 16.9 cents, 16.1 cents, 14.8 cents, 14 cents, and then the low of 13.2 cents. Okay. So right now at the current price, 20 cents. The channels to the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action if the stock continues to run to the downside. However, to the upside, the channels start to open up and get wider as the price increases. So expect a significant increase in price action if the stock runs to the upside. If the stock runs to the upside from here. And this did 159 million in volume today. Very significant volume, way above the average of 16 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, let me actually... Thought I changed that back already. And the volume's actually picking up from the last few days. So that's not good. There was a lot of selling pressure today, and probably a lot more to come. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So like I said earlier, I hope you apes took your profits. It would have been great to sell at 40. And if you didn't, I'm very sorry for your losses. I know it's tough, I know it hurts, but use this as a use this as a learning experience for next time. Again, you gotta hit the sell button when it comes to these pumps. When it comes to these pumps / squeezes, they all come right back down. So next time, make sure you don't get caught holding the bag. Okay. I do hear a siren. Hopefully it doesn't come this way. I think it is coming this way. So let's see here. Okay. I think it went the other way. So very nasty day today, but this could be a good buying opportunity at this point. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, well, let's see here. Oh. At this point, there probably is a bit more downside to go in the short term, in the immediate short term. But based on the technicals here, the chart does look very bullish in the short and long terms. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, MACD, double gap down, and RSI. And again, we have bearish indicators in the aftermarket action, ascending channel in the aftermarket action, and ascending channel. So way more bullish indicators than bearish indicators right now. Okay, so therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Seems like a pretty decent play to me. Honestly, this is just an average entry, according to the RSI. It should pay out pretty big in the longer term. Well, yeah, this is a very average entry, according to the RSI. You can't go too wrong here, especially if you're willing to buy and hold for the long term. This is not a bad price at all. Again, this should eventually come back up to 57 cents. And from the current price of 20 cents, that'd be, what, almost 200%, 300%. 16.85. And from the current price of 20 cents, that would be a 185% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the longer term. Let's see. And it's hard to tell how low this may go because there aren't any gap ups anymore. But there is some critical support at 16 cents. So it really shouldn't go lower than there. So from the current price of 20 cents down to 16 cents, that would be a 20% downside potential. So I would say going long at the current price, 20 cents would be a medium risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. So honestly, you can probably get a better price if you just hold off and be patient for the next few days, while the volatility, while the stock settles down. But you really can't go too wrong here, buying in at 20 cents. Again, especially if you're willing to buy and hold for the long term. So I can't support going long at the current price, 20 cents, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. And I do think 16 cents would be an excellent entry. So yeah, guys, now is the time to buy the dip. As a wise man. So yeah, guys, now is the time to load up. As a wise man once said. Where is it? Buy the effing dip. So personally, I would hold off. So personally, I would give it a few more days before I enter. But yeah, anything here at 20 cents and lower, great entry. Good entry. Is a good entry. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You should have went short back at 40 cents when I said to. So you missed your chance here at 20 cents. It's way too late to go short. Again, way more bullish indicators than bearish indicators right now. Relatively near the yearly low. Again, this should eventually come back up to 57 cents, which would be a 185% upside potential. And again, this may come back, and again, this really shouldn't go too much lower, but this may come back down to 16 cents, which would be a 20% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 20 cents would be a very high risk, medium reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. There definitely is still some downside potential here, but way too risky for my liking. There are way better short plays out there in the market, and AVCT is not one of them right now. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk, and it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. But yeah, honestly, it does not appear to be a very smart play right now. I don't really see why you would do that. So I don't like the current entry of 20 cents on the short side. But I will say, if/when this comes back up to 57 cents to fill the gap there, then I think that would be an excellent entry to start shorting this down. It's probably going to be a while, though. But in summary, guys, it's been a really rough day for the stock. But looks like a good buying opportunity coming up here. So I can't support going long at this price, 20 cents and lower. You should probably wait a couple of days before you enter for a better price. And there's really no reason to go short right now. You missed your chance, really bad idea. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. But this could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. Alright guys, that actually took a lot longer than I expected. A lot of pausing and sirens and whatever. We're through that now. Damn, CLNN is not looking good. Not looking like it's going to hit. That is very unfortunate. Alright, so yeah guys, let's do another scan. The Yolos, and then we'll get out of here. Now, we do have something here. Live wire. Let's see if there's news. LVWR. No, I don't see anything. Why is this moving? That's so weird. I don't know why that's mooning. Not going for that, though. Live wire. LVWR. We got some other stuff here. YCBD. I don't think anything, though. I don't think anything's going on here. What? They're selling CBD at Wegmans now? News to me. The casino will allow it to continue to do it since the guy getting popular on casino run business. The guy getting popular on YouTube. He has famous phase in his YouTube channel too. Okay, we'll check it out. But I really don't care for other YouTubers. See, scammer? You heard New York banning car with gas power? Yeah, that was already a thing, dude. They announced that a long time ago. It's not just New York. Everywhere is going fully electric. The blue states first, California and New York, but, you know, probably by 2050, the whole U.S. is going to be electric. I think the aim is 2040, though. They're going to put all taxi and Uber driver out of business 2025. Yeah, well, Uber, that's Uber's plan anyway. In the long term, they were going to automate all their cars and just not have any drivers. So, yes, taxi drivers will not be a thing in the future. And neither will, like, fast food workers. You're going to have one guy in the back making your burger. If even that. Probably going to have one server, that's it. You have a machine making your burger, a machine taking your order. Everything's going to be replaced by machines in the future. Damn, silver's down at 255 now. Ouch. Everything tanking, and I'm not getting filled on anything. Of course. Alright, let's do a quick scan here on Market Chameleon, and then we'll pull up the Yolos. Don't see anything. Okay. Alright, give me a second here, guys. Let me check YouTube, see where we're at. 6 viewers, 11 likes. Alright, thank you, guys. I didn't think there was this many people left, because no one's chatting. I thought most people dipped. But still, a lot of people here, 6 viewers. So, thank you, guys. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. And, alright, so give me a minute here to pull up the Yolos. Let that load, and we'll finish up here. So we should be out of here in like, I don't know, before 6. 15 to 30 minutes. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at, put it in the chat right now. We'll get to that before we end the show here today. Alright, so we'll give this another minute to finish loading, and we'll get started here. How many have we got today? We have 13. That's quite a bit. Why am I not getting filled on anything? Come on. Sucks, bro. Alright, I think we're good. Let's do it. Alright, guys, so today this should be fun. Nothing too serious. We have 13 Yolos. A lot of memes, like half memes. A lot of gain corn. A lot of puts. Printing. And I think we have like one big famous lost corn. This post went viral, so that's going to be good. So pretty good content today. Let's do it, guys. This should be good. First one by Tito Mojito. Poop. There goes my apple pie. Alright, so as always, we're going to start off with our Jim Cramer memes. Clowning on Jim Cramer. So, investors should buy Apple stock, not sell it, says Jim Cramer. Uh-oh. So you guys know the joke? Inverse Jim Cramer. Not literally, but it tends to work. So if Jim Cramer says buy Apple, don't sell, you should probably sell Apple, not buy. And Apple has been doing very bad lately, so yeah, another bad call here by Jim Cramer. I mean, yes, long term you should buy Apple, but in this market, I don't know, dude. So for now, it's not a good call. We'll see how it ends up. But yeah, Cramer doing Cramer things, making bad picks here. So, of course, Apple's a good stock. Should you buy it now? After this, I don't know. All right, and staying on Cramer by LK Acolyte. Cramer has been wrong since before some of you were born. All right, so I don't know where this is from, what book this is, but we see some highlighted stuff here. Jim asked the audience to take out a pencil and paper and write down the names of 10 individual stocks he would be recommending as sure winners. 4 years later, in the April 10.com bubble picks of 2020. 4 years later, in the April 2004 edition of Barron's magazine, Alan Abelson wrote, Cramer's 10.com bubble picks of 2000 ended up tanking by an average of 90%.
And it's gone.
Yep, so Cramer has been wrong since the beginning of time. But wasn't he a hedgy back then? So he could have been lying on purpose and just shorting it on you guys. Anyway, like I said in the previous shows, either he's just really dumb, going off the deep end, or he's doing it on purpose. There's no way a former hedgy should be this wrong. But yeah, so Cramer, again, doing Cramer things. Been having bad calls since the beginning of time, since he's been doing this. So shout out, clown on Jim Cramer, and shout out to Jim Cramer. Because if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have such great content here. What is this? I gotta lower my sober price again, dude? Come on. Really? Alright, I just lowered my sober price to $240 because it just keeps on tanking. That sucks. And CLNN is going down a lot. I don't think that's going to hit. But I'll keep the order open. Does not look like it's going to hit. Planning to get into a Apple call next week. All right, dude. Good luck. Just be very careful. You know, that stuff is highly tech, and the whole market is just, you know, very bad right now. So, high risk, high reward there. Don't put too much money in there. That's all I would say. Invest what you can afford to lose. All right, by Stranger Trader, we have not hit the bottom yet. So here's a Steven Crowder meme, popular YouTuber, conservative YouTuber, the change my mind guy. So we have not hit bottom yet. Change my mind. I agree. I'm with Crowder on this one. We have not bottomed yet. Clearly today we hit a new all-time low, new yearly low, and probably a lot more to go, more downside to go. So I don't need to change your mind. I agree, dude. I have a meme, a sound effect for that. No, I don't. So I'll just give him some applause. All right, next one by Shariah Shur, the legend. All right, so here's a meme. Daddy, what did you do to stay sane during the great financial crisis of the 2020s? I smoked copious amounts of 420. Smoked copious amounts of 420. I don't want to get banned here. Shadow banned. Effing legend. Yup, I can totally relate, and I'm sure a bunch of you guys can totally relate as well. I mean, regardless if there was a financial crisis or not, I would smoke tons of 420. But yes, in these trying times, I do smoke lots of 420. But I'm making bank, so it doesn't really matter. But yes, I agree with this. I can relate to this. I'm sure you guys can relate. No, I can't relate to losing money, but I can relate to smoking copious amounts of 420. And I'm sure a lot of apes are. Does it make you a legend? Probably not. It just makes you an ape. But I agree. I relate to this. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm sure like Eddie and Punk Skater and some of you other guys can relate to this as well. All right, by Dude, Where's My Stock? Where do you fall on the spectrum? All right, so where do you guys fall? So we got 3 apes here. We got the Go ape. He's in his contamination suit. I have autism, down 87% year to date. So you're the down year to date Wojak. The even year to date Wojak. So most apes are here, down year to date. Most people are here. Even year to date, I don't think it's very accurate. Even year to date, this guy, born to option, hodl, 0 days to expiration. Really, this guy should be here. The even year to date, this guy is more accurate representation of down year to date. This is all these dumb apes and Wall Street bets. So really, these two are the same thing. There's no even year to date. You're down or you're up, pretty much. And yeah, here we got the big brain Wojak. The Giga Chad big brain Wojak. Got everything, huh? Got the braids and the looks. So, not to toot my own horn, but I think this is me right here. Big brain, jacked Wojak, and you guys are coming along for the ride. So, you know, taking you guys with me here. So this is us. This is the Smarter Gambling community. Giga Chad, Big Brain, Wojak. Everyone else, here. And all the other remote bears, also Big Brain, Jack Wojak. So, that's what I think. But who knows? So yeah, I think I fall here. I think we fall here on the spectrum. Cool. Alright, this is by Spiritual Prize, 4491. Stock market technical analysis for next week. Alright, so here's... Oh, it's not that big. That's what she said. That's pretty ironic for this post, too. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Okay. So this is a meme about the hurricane. So, yeah. Some good TA here. Storms are coming. This is actually over Texas, though. This is not over Florida, so wrong storm. But yes, good TA here. Storm indicator. All right, good stuff. And more epic TA, more good TA. By Pristine Elevator, for real about a pump. Bro, as you can see here, this head and shaft pattern means SPY is about to pump. So yes, this is TA at its finest here. Here is the... Which head? You got the big head and the little head, which is actually like just as big as the big head here. But yeah, big shaft and big head. Two big heads. So you don't see this indicator too much, but yes, very powerful indicator. Head and shaft pattern. So very, very bullish. Load up on calls, guys. I'm totally kidding. Don't do that. Should probably just inverse this. Inverse Wall Street bets. But this is some good TA. Good post here. Give it the laugh. I enjoyed this one a lot. Okay. Alright. So, enough. So that's all the memes. Let's get to the Yolos now. The gain and loss core. We have a lot of loss core. We have both. So this is the viral post today. This made, #1 post, Wall Street Bets. So by Andrew Mojo 21. I don't even know why it went so viral. But yeah, look at all the awards. I really effed up, boys. My dad passed away. RIP to your dad. And left me 100K to have. I decided to trade it this week on the way down. I hammered puts on Wednesday and swung them. Work up the Bank of England bailing the market out, and the S&P 500 rose 2% that day. I realized the losses and now have poop. Okay. So he inherited 100K, and he blew it all on FDs. Sounds like your typical Wall Street Bets ape. Yeah. What did he buy, though? He doesn't even say. Alright, so I think he just went all in SPY puts. I think that's what he did. Just all in SPY puts. Profit lost on the day, 79%. Alright, yeah, it looks like SPX, QQQ, and some others. So probably index puts. Index puts, it looks like. So yeah, I've seen it all before. Apes come into a lot of money, think they know what they're doing, blow it all, and there goes your inheritance and possibly your future. Definitely set you back a long way. So your dad is rolling around in his grave right now. What the actual hell? You just should have put it in a trust or something for you. So I really wish I knew what he bought, but it looks like just all in index puts, FDs, and yep, blew up 100K. So there goes your inheritance, and yeah. Don't want to disrespect the the deceased, but I'm sure he'd be very angry. Actually, I don't even know why this post went so viral, honestly. I've seen a lot worse on Wall Street Bets, but this was the viral post today. So, yeah, Andrew Mojo 21. Next posting. Yeah, you effed up. You effed up royally, but congrats. You're famous now, and you definitely belong here. So, I don't know what this money means to you, if it's a lot or a little, but I don't care how rich you are. It means something. And, yeah, dude, so big, expensive lesson here. Epic loss corn. So, I don't know if you should just stay away from investing or day trading, gambling in the future, or you should come back and do it the right way next time. All you had to do was buy, like, index funds. Not, buy FD puts on index funds. You could have just bought shares in index funds with 100K, and it would have been good for your whole life. Just let that sit and grow. But no, gotta be an ape, right? Anyway, So yeah, Andrew Mojo 21. Thanks for posting. Epic lost corn. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Hope you're okay. And I don't really know why this went viral. Why you're famous now, but congrats on that, I guess. Was it worth it? I don't know. But yeah, dude. Good luck to you. And I hope to see you back here on Wall Street Bets in the future. All right. By Meme Pope. So this relates to the last post. We see a lot of memes based clowning on that guy who lost his 100K inheritance. So words to live by. They say you get deleted twice. One time when you stop breathing, and a second time a bit later on when your son blows your inheritance on puts. Yep. So that guy's dead. Passed away and passed away again. If only he knew. He probably, I don't know, he might be watching. So. Alright, we got 4 more here. And then I think 2 from Low Roller. By Deluxe B. My life savings. Alright, so SPY calls here. So the other guy lost on SPY puts. This guy lost on SPY calls. So Jay Powell said F your calls and F your puts. Everyone's getting wrecked here today. Yep, that's market for you. So, what do you got? 369, nice. Calls, SPY. Mini SPY calls. So it says September. I don't know when they expire, but it says September, so they probably expired today. So yeah, I think he blew up his account. Yep, he did blow up his account. So yeah, today he's down over 27K.
And it's gone.
And yep, that's his whole account. He's only worth 121 bucks now, or at least in his his account here. So from 27K down to 100 bucks. So obviously, I think you can all pretty much figure this out. So yeah, don't YOLO your whole account on FDs like this. Plain and simple. Why would you do that? Don't YOLO your life savings on anything. FDs, meme stocks, anything. Don't even YOLO your life savings on like SPY. Although that would be a lot better. Yeah, don't YOLO your life savings in anything. I don't get people who put like 100% of their account on one trade or like 2 trades. Like, that's not good diversification. I'm not even that much of a believer in diversification, but you need some at least. So this doesn't happen. So, totally this guy's own fault. I do feel bad because it's his life savings, but not really because he did it to himself. And in the grand scheme of things, 27K ain't the worst thing in the world. So, he'll be alright. But yeah, Epic, Lost Corn, Epic, F up. So yeah, Deluxe B, sorry for your loss, not really. Hope you're okay, you'll be alright. And yeah, hope you learn from this and you come back stronger next time. So thanks for listening, good luck to you. Don't forget about YouTube video and website too. If we got time, we're leaving by 6. So anything we can't do by 6, we're out of here. We should have time though. Alright, by WTFFTW 1221. Butterfly is the way. All right, so this is the gain court now. So a butterfly, for everyone who doesn't know, he's referring to an option strategy, which is how you should play options when you hedge. Options are made for hedging. This is what the hedge funds do. They play options by hedging, not buying lottery tickets like the apes do. So a butterfly is basically it's a straddle, which is when you buy a call and a put. When you buy or sell a call and a put, same strike, same expiration, and then you also hedge it on the ends so you don't have like unlimited loss. Kind of confusing. I wish I could show you guys on the graph, but that's not the important thing right now. Anyway, butterfly is a hedging strategy, option strategy. It's you're pretty much going for extreme price action either way. So massive gain here. So super FDs. What did he buy? He doesn't even say what stock this is. He does not say what stock this is. I don't know what stock this is, but clearly he's up a lot of money here. What is this? 100? 200? We'll just call it 300K. Probably like 250 to 300K. So, yep, super FDs. I don't really recommend you guys do this. I don't know what stock it is, but yeah, super FDs. And yeah, it paid off. It was up almost 300K today. Well done. So high risk, high reward. Clearly this guy has plenty of money, and he seems like he knows what he's doing. So highly risky, but, you know, I guess if you're a professional, if you have experience, then I trust it. And clearly it worked. So, well done, well done. Can't really comment on the strike, bad expirations, but good timing. So, this was definitely some skill, some luck. Definitely a lot of skill involved here. Not like the other apes who just get lucky. But yeah, WTF, FTW, 1221, thanks for hosting. Congrats on your gains. I wish I knew what stock this was. Pretty risky, but paid off. Really well done. Enjoy the thinnies, dude. And you seem like you know what you're doing, so I'm not worried. Alright, by C Benefit. I love puts on Tesla and Apple. Alright, so there's a lot here. I'm not going to go through everything. But, yeah, in the past month, he's up 17K. 1,050%. So the guy literally started with 1.7K, almost 2K, we'll just call it 2K, and he ran it up 1,000% in 1 month, bruh. So, you know, I'm happy for the ape, and this is probably very inspirational to the other apes, but this is not typical at all. Usually, this guy would have just went broke in his first week. But, you know, it has been very bearish, so this is definitely luck. This is definitely luck. The other guy was skill, a lot of skill. This is definitely luck here. So yeah, guys, don't start a 2K account and just start YOLOing, because this is not typical at all. But yeah, you know, glad it worked. Really well done. All I would suggest at this point is stop doing this. If you keep doing this, you will lose all your money. I guarantee you that. So it worked out so far. Stop being an ape. Just secure the gains. Be happy. So yeah, C Benefit, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. I don't know what you did, but clearly very risky. Worked out, got lucky, and at this point, just chill out. Secure the gains, enjoy them. Don't YOLO all your gains back. Okay. Got two more. By Tua turns the ball over. Did we do this one yesterday? No, we didn't do this one yesterday. I think we did, but it was not updated. Anyway, so legend here. Tua turns the ball over. So this isn't that impressive money-wise, but percentage-wise, this is really good. So Nike FD here, $85 put, 30 of them. What's the strike? Strike is, yeah, oh, it says right there. Oh, duh, I'm stupid. $85 strike. Expires today. Yeah, so Super FD. This looks like a 1.5K YOLO, and he's up over 6K, about 380%. So you know what? Actually, I like this one. I don't really like to play, but in this situation, it works. So, you know, you see everyone YOLOing their whole account and all this stupid stuff. This guy did it right. So he YOLO'd what he could afford to lose, about 1.7K or 1.5K. You know, if it went bad, you know, whatever. There goes your 1.5K. And if it went good, then it would print a lot. And clearly it did here. 380%, 6K. So if you guys are going to gamble, if you guys are going to YOLO, this is how you should do it. You know, with money you can afford to lose, small amounts. Not your whole account. So typically this is not going to work, but it did here. So good for this guy. And yeah, nice little gain here. I imagine he went all in. That would have paid it. Would have paid out. Would have been printing. But yeah, small little gamble here, paid off big. So this is good for all the apes. So apes, take notes. If you wanna do FDs, this is how you do it. Not saying you should, but if you want to do it, this is how you should do it. So yeah, Tua turns the ball over. Thanks for hosting. Again, you're a legend, dude. Risky play, but he did it right. I support it. So thanks for hosting, as always, and good luck to you. All right. Nice. Nice for low roller. Yes. I like it. Take it long, take it hard. Yes. Shout out to the Rainbow Bears. Alright, last one. Can't say the name. Well, I can't retire anymore. Back to wage slave life. Yeah, this was the 7 millionaire. The $7 million guy. And he just trolls the apes here. So, yeah. He's down 92K today. But what's that to 7 mil, right? So, I guess good. This guy, I don't like this guy. I mean, like, this guy just flexes on everyone. That's all he does. You know, he's just a troll. He's just flexing on dumb apes. I don't know. It's not good content to me. But okay, dude. Alright, let's see this website. Yeah, it's a scam. It's a scam. All I need to do is look at this website. So he charges you $1,500, non-refundable. So $1,500 to meet the guy, huh? Look, no guarantees, no guarantees. Yeah, I'm not going to read all this. But, yeah, so $1,500 to meet this guy. So he's probably one of these gambling gurus here. So I can already tell you it's a scam without even watching the video. But sure, let's watch the video. He raised the price to $2,000, and people pay for this. It's really sad. All right, let's watch the video then. Hope it doesn't lag.
You ready?
All right, let's watch.
Ready.
Come over here. We're gonna
Need to turn on the. There we go.
do the top dollar, okay? Have you ever played $100 machines, slot machines?
Before,
Is that him?
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and put 200 in.
No, that's not him. I think the guy
We're
filming
gonna do
is
2
him.
to 4 pulls. I'll help you with your card. Okay. There we go.
All right, guys. So don't ever play the slot machines unless you just want to have some fun. Slot machines are like for old people who play like the penny slots just to because they're bored, because they need time to kill. Can I say that? So slot machines are a winning, or excuse me, a losing. You're gonna lose 90%, no, or 10% over the long term. They're set up to play. It's just math. So you're gonna lose 10% on the long term playing slot machines. So if you're gonna play slot machines, play like the penny slots when you're bored. Don't put $100 in a slot machine. That is extremely stupid. Okay.
What's your budget today?
5,000.
Where are you from?
LA.
You're gonna put 5,000 on the slot machines, bruh. You just take it to the market. Take it to the market, and you do better. You do better. Actually, I don't even know.
LA?
Yeah.
Okay. Go for it. Top dollar. When the thumb goes up, you know it's just like that. Here we go. 3,500. Take it or try again.
Try again.
Okay.
Alright, this looks totally fake. This guy's not even like enthused or anything. He's probably a paid actor. That guy in the orange. Right
Again.
Second offer.
2,500. You got 2 more offers.
there. Take it, bro.
Take it.
Try again.
Try again. All right.
No, don't try again.
Third offer.
13,500. Just like that. Take it. Take it.
Does the guy look happy to win $13,000 or not? He's totally a paid actor. There's no way. This is a paid actor.
Just like that.
Oh man.
If you won $13,000, you'd be ecstatic, right? He does not care.
13,500. First pull. First pull?
All right, so clearly that's fake. Clearly everything is fake here. All right, let's pull this back up. All right, so what do I think about that? Total scammer. Total scammer. If he's selling you $1,000 course, $2,000 course, red flag already. But clearly that video is fake. So the guy's a paid actor. He probably gave him the money to put it in the slot machine. You know, and you can film. They probably filmed that like 20 times, and then and eventually it will hit. All the other times they filmed it was lost. Yeah, that's totally fake. Don't fall for it, guys. Really, really sad. So yeah, all these gurus, you know, crypto gurus, stock market gurus, gambling gurus. There's a guru for everything now. Drop shipping, I don't even know. It's all a scam, guys. Don't fall for it. Don't ever pay $500 for a course, okay? The guy will teach you how to win hand pay. Yeah, not really. He's going to teach you, and then just you're going to lose, and then he gets your money. The guy's popular on social media. Have you see his channel all over YouTube? No, but he should get banned. He should get banned. He got a lot of people, a lot of video with other people too. A lot of people pay him too. Yeah, you know, so he doesn't make money from gambling. Okay? He makes money from selling you $2,000 courses. So people just fall for it. It's so sad. I hate gurus. I hate scammers. I hate gurus. It's all BS, obviously. But people don't know better. So yeah, he should really just get banned off of social media and really go to jail for scamming. All right, guys. All right, we got some stuff here. Does it legal on casino? Well, yeah, it's legal because you're paying for, you know, selling courses is not illegal, but it's a scam because clearly he doesn't. I mean, everyone knows you're not going to win money like that over the long term, at least. All right, guys. So let's do one more quick scan. We do have some stuff here. FSI. What is that? Yep, we got something here. All right, putting in an order, guys. It's already going down. Oh, hope we didn't miss it. All right, 173. We're going to put an order in for 243. All right, here comes the siren, guys. But yeah, FSI going in for 243. All right, there we go. Order in. So I'm not sure if it's going to hit. Probably not, honestly, but order in. So we CLNN went all the way down. That's a wrap. Wow. It went all the way back down to 230, 280. Yeah, CLNN, that's not going to happen. But FSI, that could hit. All right. Let's keep scanning. I don't see much else though. I think that's it. There's LVWR, but that didn't announce anything. There's Archon. All right, so all that's moving right now is FSI. So really very unfortunate that CLNN did not hit. But yeah, FSI put in order there. He charges $350 per person each video. If you didn't see the ad on course, he charged $150 to post a video 24 hours. you should charge people how to win hand pay on blackjack. No, I should charge people how to invest money in the stock market, but I don't. You know why? Because it's not about the money. So no, you can't win at blackjack. You can, but if you do, you're gonna get kicked out. So you just can't win at gambling. The only thing you can win at is poker and sports betting. If you want to teach how to play poker, that's fine. That's not a scam to me. If you want to teach how to sports bet, that's iffy because you can win, but the sports betting gurus just take your money. So, bottom line, don't pay anyone for any courses. Information is free. So if anything, I should teach people how to short, but I won't because information is free. I can't justify charging $500 for a course. The guy's getting rich on social media and charge people to win hand pay. Yeah. So like I said, he gets money from selling you $2,000 courses, not from actually gambling. So it's just really, really sad. And he should be banned from social media, in my opinion. All right, looks like nothing's going on here. Aftermarket. So that's it, guys. All right, so that is the show for today. We went 2 hours, 5 minutes, so right on time. I said 2 hours, hour and a half to 2 hours, so we went a little bit over. That's all right. So it was a slow show, but a lot of people coming in and chatting later on. But yeah, pretty chill show here. Not too much to discuss. 4 minor articles, AVCT, a lot of Yolos though. And always pleasure kicking it with you guys, chilling and kicking it with you guys. So really nasty day today, nasty week, nasty month, nasty year. Hopefully next week, next month, October is better. Probably not, but one can hope. AIMD's down to 170 now. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. So at least there's that. What happened to beat? Hold up. What's the bid ask on beat right now? Holy crap. $380. Oh, okay. It went down? Oh, I'm bugging. I was looking at PEPG. Yeah, I'm bugging. Gassed me for a second. Do analysis on SPY? Alright, fine. Only if you hit the like button. So pretty much it looks bullish. We kind of did it briefly in the beginning of the show. So yeah, we do have multiple gap downs now. 1, 2, 3. No, 4. We have 4 gap downs. Quadruple gap down. So 4 gap downs, extremely bullish. So that means this should eventually come back up to 425, 426 to fill that gap. I mean, obviously, it's SPY, it will. Yeah, RSI is at 28, so this is oversold, undervalued right now. And, in longer term, cup and handle and all that good stuff, so. Yeah, this is about to break out of this descending channel, which is bearish. So I think there is more downside to go. But, this will have its day again. We have a lot of bullish indicators going on with this right now. Quadruple gap down, cup and handle, low RSI. Bearish indicators in the descending channel and MACD, but yet, wow, that is loud. These damn trucks outside. So in the short term, it's probably going to keep pulling back a little bit more, but longer term, it will have its day again. So, now's the time to load up on SPY, not financial advice. Who worse, Christopher Mitchell versus D Lucky Experience? They're all terrible. What's the other guy? Vegas Dave? Who's the other guy? All these gambling gurus. Don't listen to it. You're gonna short it? Alright, man. Honestly, I don't really recommend doing that. Just because it's already gotten beaten down. You want to short something when it's high, You don't really want to short it. Not saying it's not going to work. But ideally, you'd like to short something that at a high, not at a low, you know? So that's how you make money. You buy high, sell low, and you short high, cover low. Or excuse me, you buy low, sell high. I said buy high, sell low. You buy low, sell high, and you short highs, cover low. But yeah, dude. I mean, it's not that big of a deal if you short this. You know, if it does go bad, you're not gonna lose that much money. This is not that volatile. But I'd look for other stuff to short though. Personally, I wouldn't really short this at the yearly low. But it probably will keep going lower, so it probably will work out. But you should have shorted back here at like 430. You know, would have been some major price action. I don't think you're gonna get too much price action now. But yeah, dude. Good luck to you. Let me know how it goes. You heard Tesla day today? No, I didn't. But doesn't really matter, I guess, because they got wrecked yesterday. Why is Tesla stock down today, but it's Tesla day? Because sell the news. That's what happened last year too. I remember because I had Tesla and I was waiting for it, and it's you know, it was a sell the news event. Upcoming catalyst equals sell the news. Apes never learn. And just because everything is down today. But yeah, it was a sell the news event. Gotta clean my glasses here. Alright, guys. So that's the show for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you to all the regulars, all the new people, all the lurkers. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
Do me a favor, please smash that like button on your way out. And I will catch you guys next week on Monday. So hopefully next week, next month, better days for the stock market, but we'll see. All right, cool. So enjoy your weekend, guys. Let's get out of here. Catch you guys on Monday. Gotta adjust this too. I can't see. It's too dark. All right, cool. Let's get out of here, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. One more time. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.